Hello. Today I'm going to show you where to find the OBD2 slot and how to read and delete failure codes. On a VW, it is VW, Volkswagen Fox. Open the driver's side door and here you can see a steering wheel, and under it there is a cover. Under this cover, it contains your OBD2 slot. Now open that cover, and in the center here on the right and on the left side you can see some fuses, and in the center you can see the OBD2 host. Here we are able to dock with our OBD2 scanner. So there it is. We are docked now, and if we docked our scanner there, the scanner will start working immediately. But it's not okay to work like this because we will need the ignition on. The power supply comes from your car itself, and it will give the energy to your scanner. But first, to a better scan, to a deeper scan, we have to start the ignition. You do not have to start the engine for failure codes, DTCs. And then we can go to OBD2 diagnostics, and now we are entering into the car's electronic system. In this case, we are able to dock twice. That means you can go to OBD2 options, and then we can see the failure codes. Here's one failure code detected. And this failure code is P0139. You can see this failure codes. You can read this failure code. It is for lambda. It is a low power thing because of the O2 value. That will give you some information for fixing the problem. So if you have this, if you fix the problem, you can delete the DTC. You can delete the failure code by going to the main menu, back, escape, and then go to delete failure code. Now press enter, and yes, we are going to delete the failure code. This will get a couple of seconds, and then the failure code is cleared. To see this, we have to go back to the main menu, and we have to enter another time into the system. You can see the failure code is still there, but now we go to the main menu and we are going to dock again. Then the failure code will be erased or deleted, and that it is what we are going to do. We are going to delete the failure codes. The first step is every time make a OBD2 scan, then you know where it is to replace some parts, and after you replace some parts, then read again, and there will no failure codes more. In this case, you can go a little bit deeper to raise some maintenance, etc. But it is a special VAG model. Model scanner for VW cars. So if you finish the work, you can remove the scanner and job's done. Here we are. We have to assemble back the cover, then go back to the street. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again in my channel soon. Soon.